What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coasters in the Current. This is Twisted Timbers update number 13, episode 14, and today basically what I'll be talking about is track. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So it is officially the off season at King's Dominion. But first things first, I want to go ahead and thank a few people for allowing me to use these pictures. I want to go ahead and thank Coaster Dude 16 once again. He's been helping me get a lot of these pictures. He gets some great footage, so definitely check him out, as well as Rocky Mountain Construction, King's Dominion, and also John Clydo. I hope I said your actual last name right, John, but I want to thank you for that aerial footage. So I won't be talking long in this video at all. After that, I'll just show you guys a couple of pictures and that'll be it. But the RMC crews from Steel Vengeance committed to their promise, and they are down here putting a lot of track work down. Actually, I'm pretty sure by the time this video comes out, they have probably already finished a barrel roll, at least. Not the barrel roll drop, but they finished the other barrel roll. But yes, a lot of track work has been done. So if you see from these pictures right here, you can definitely tell that they've been working hard. In fact, I think on Instagram they actually put that they've done over 20 pieces already in just like one day. So they're definitely working hard. I'm glad to see that. The last day I went, which was October 28th 2017, they did have track work done. As you see here for the turn coming off that lift hill, you can see that they have now added track. And like I said, they really are trying to get that barrel roll drop finished, but they can't really work on that right now because they're actually working on this, as you see here. So if you're looking, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it took me a while to actually figure out what this was until I realized this is actually going to be more supports for that overbank turn once you come off that barrel roll drop. That's how far back they needed to add the supports. So you can obviously tell this is going to be a huge overbank. This one is also big, but the biggest one is in the back, which is that last overbank, if I'm right, before you come into the station or not. I can't remember from the actual layout, but that overbank is actually bigger than the first one coming off the drop. Sadly, I wasn't able to get any aerial footage for you all. I really tried to. I wanted to see myself from Windseeker, but it was closed due to high winds. As I said, Windseeker is usually closed near the end of the season, mainly because it is colder, and it definitely was windier that day, so it was bound to be closed. I tried to get there early to see, but it was closed, so sorry about that, but I will try to keep you guys posted as much as possible. As you see from the pictures here from John, he was actually able to get an aerial footage from his drone, the DJI Phantom. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out his video, as well as if you want to purchase the drone. They are pretty expensive, but they shoot some great quality. They actually use the same sensor as GoPro. But anyways, back to the ride. As you can see here, these are a few pictures from Rocky Mountain Construction's Instagram, so be sure to follow them there. I'll leave a link in the description below for that. This is when they were first adding the track. This is actually when you're coming into the brake run, if you're wondering. It was really nice to see that King's Dominion as well as Rocky Mountain Construction were both trying to keep us updated of what's going on, so that's nice to see. But they still have a lot of track work that needs to be done. As you can see here from this little aerial footage that I was able to get from John, as you see here, you can see all the track that still needs to be added. I'm pretty sure maybe a quarter that's added by now, but there's still a lot to go. And that's basically all that I have for you guys today. Let me know your thoughts on all this in the comment section below and what you're really excited to see. One last thing that I do want to talk about, this isn't really related to Twisted Timbers, but I wanted to show you guys one more picture of Rock Shop, as you see here. But this is a picture of that shop. I wanted to get a picture for myself, mainly because I don't know if this is going to be here next year. So we will see if this is a name change or it will be remodeled. Like I said, one of those two things has to happen, because in fact Dominator has a actual store, Intimidator has a store which is photo finish. I'm guessing Twisted Timbers is going to have a store too, so Rock Shop has to be changed in order for that to happen. As well as this will be probably the only wooden coaster that is probably going to have a picture, so that'll be nice to see. Let me know all your thoughts on this in the comment section below. I hope you all did enjoy this video. Please stay tuned to the outro for more. Here's a quick pic of Steel Vengeance aerial footage from Rocky Mountain Construction, and that's all that I have for you guys today. Until next time, you guys, peace out. I need your help. I need your help.
you're gone. As long as we're together, this moment lasts forever.